So, today we'll be talking about a very common mental disorder known as bipolar disorder. It is also called manic depression. In this condition, there are extreme mood swings which include emotional ups, that is mania, and downs, that is depression. It is a chronic illness, however, that does not mean that the person suffering from it cannot lead a healthy life. The cause is not very clear, but some of the possible causes are: first, genetics. Having a history of bipolar disorder in the family increases the chances of a person having it too. Second cause may be due to some physical changes in the brain. Thirdly, a person may also develop bipolar disorder due to external factors like trauma, stress, alcohol abuse, drug abuse, etc. To test the symptoms, it's very important to visit the doctor and undergo a physical as well as a mental health evaluation. The symptoms mainly include mania, hypomania, and depression. Mania is when the person feels very excited, impulsive, and energetic. Hypomania is similar to mania but less severe. Depression is the extreme opposite of mania, which can include sadness, lack of energy, lack of hope, suicidal thoughts, etc. Bipolar disorder is equally common in both men and women, but the symptoms in them may differ. In case of women, it is usually diagnosed later in life. She may experience more depressive episodes than manic episodes and may also suffer with other conditions like obesity, migraines, thyroid disease, etc. In case of women, relapse is also more common. On the other hand, bipolar disorder in men may be diagnosed earlier in life with more manic episodes and a higher degree of substance abuse. In children, the symptoms of this disorder may overlap with other conditions like ADHD. When we talk about the types, there are three main types of bipolar disorder. First is bipolar 1, which affects men and women equally. Second is bipolar 2, which is apparently more common in women. And third is cyclothymia. Several treatments are available to manage this disorder. First, medications which include antidepressants, anti anxiety drugs, antipsychotics, mood stabilizers, sedatives, etc. Second, psychotherapy, which includes cognitive behavioral therapy, psychoeducation, and regulating daily habits. Third, lifestyle changes which help the depressive symptoms caused in bipolar disorder. And fourth, there may be some natural remedies also which stabilize the mood and lessen the symptoms. Millions of people around the world are affected by this disorder, and it becomes really important to educate yourself as well as the people around you about this condition. Living with bipolar disorder can sometimes be very challenging, but it is important to stay hopeful and take treatment options seriously. That is all. I hope you found this information useful. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you for watching.